How and when should you clean your PC? I'd recommend cleaning your PC every 6 months or so. This will prevent dust buildup, which can lead to overheating in your PC, especially if your PC is on carpet. And before I talk to you about how to clean your PC, I just want to say that very few people watching are subscribed, so if you want to, please subscribe, as it motivates me to keep on doing videos. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is shut down your PC and unplug all the cables from it. You'll need either compressed air, which I don't have, or a cloth and some earbud cleaner things, and also a screwdriver. The earbuds are shown on screen so you can see if you've got similar ones. Take off your side panel by unscrewing all 4 screws. You only need to take off the main side panel that covers the front of your PC components. And yes, that is my 12K camera setup. To begin with, brush the sides and top of your PC with a cloth or compressed air. This gets rid of the dust surfaces and will just make your PC look a lot cleaner. Next, flip your PC over so you can see underneath it. If your power supply is a dust filter, then remove that and either use compressed air or brush the dirt out. If you don't have a dust filter, then you will need to clean the power supply fan with either a cloth or compressed air. For the fans, use a screwdriver and unscrew all of them. I can't unscrew the front fans as the front panel is glued on, and yes, this is a pre-built. I bought it 2 years ago and I've upgraded it since. Use the cotton earbuds to get away any surface dirt, or you could use the compressed air to blow all the dirt out, and you can screw the fans back in the same way you took them out. My CPU right now is not that dirty and it's basically the same as the fans. You don't need to take it out, as you would probably have to replace the thermal paste, so I'd recommend just cleaning it on the surface, or if it's not even that dusty, don't bother with it, as for me it doesn't seem to get that dusty at all. But take out the graphics card by unscrewing it at the back, and then unplug the power connector and just pull it out, and you can rub away all the dirt on the fans. It tends to build up quite a bit there. As it's quite a new graphics card for me, there is very little dust build up. And so if you just put it back in pretty much the same way you took it out, just the other way around, then you have pretty much cleaned your PC and you won't need to do it for another 6 months or so. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe. And from now on, I'm going to upload my videos at 1 PM London time every Sunday. See ya.